students. In this session, we are going to cover Unit 2 or Block 2, Sociological Perspective, which includes education, culture and socialization, concept of social unity, unity and diversity of caste, class, religion and human language. Gender in society with specific reference to Indian society with respect to living together. But in today's session, we will specifically talk about education and culture. Education, culture, and socialization. Socialization is also integral component of it, so that's why in introductory session you must know about it. Education, culture, and socialization are integral components that shape the intricate tapestry of Indian society, influencing concepts of social unity, navigating the diverse dimension of caste, class, religion, human language, and gender dynamics within familiar contexts. So these elements not only define how individuals perceive themselves and their roles within society, but also contribute to the collective identity and cohesion of communities across the nation. Understanding the interplay between education, cultural practices, and social norms provide insights into how India manages its rich diversity while striving towards inclusivity and equity in various spheres of life, particularly within the dynamics of living together in familial settings. So, education, culture, and socialization are intricately intertwined aspects of human development or any society or any societal development, so societal cohesion. Education, beyond its role in imparting knowledge and skills, serves as a crucial mechanism for cultural transmission. Through formal education system, societies pass on their values, beliefs, customs, and norms from one generation to the next. This cultural transmission shapes individual identities and their understanding of the world around them, fostering a sense of belonging and shared understanding within communities. Education is the primary agent of socialization. Alongside family and peers, it equips individuals with the necessary social skills, particular and behaviors to interact effectively within their cultural and societal context. Schools, in particular, play a pivotal role in socializing children into the norms and expectations of their society, preparing them for their future roles and responsibilities as future members of this nation, of this society. Culture, on the other hand, influence education by determining what knowledge is deemed valuable and how it should be imparted, how it should be transmitted. So, educational practices and curricula often reflect dominant cultural values and priorities, shaping both the content and method of instruction. Education also influences culture by perpetuating or challenging existing norms and traditions through critical thinking and exposure to diverse perspectives. Education, culture, and socialization are interconnected processes that shape individuals' identities, roles in society, and the collective understanding of the world, thereby contributing significantly to societal cohesion and continuity across generations. So, what is education? First of all, we need to understand what is education and what role does it play in changing our culture, cultural beliefs, traditions, and our values, our beliefs, our traditions, our rituals. What role does it play in influencing culture? Education is, we can say, is training, or as we all discuss or we often read in psychology, change in behavior, modification in behavior, or in sociology or psychology, philosophy, it is training of mind. So it plays a crucial role in driving cultural change and shaping societies. How it shapes societies? Through training, through preparing them for their future roles, or with how with equipping them with social skills. So education plays a crucial role in driving cultural change and shaping. We often talk about how culture has changed. Today, students do this, they don't do this, they don't obey their parents, they don't respect their parents. So, many a time we use this term that culture has changed. So, once we see or notice something happening around us, some change which is often noticed by us, we say culture has changed. Marriages are held like this, parties are celebrated like this. Today, uh, joint families are no longer exist in society.